Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to change your watermark or how to put a watermark on your videos in your YouTube channel. To do that, all you have to do is go to your YouTube channel, and in here, when you reach out to YouTube channel, make sure to click on the right upper corner. And when you click on right upper corner, click on your channel. And when you click on your channel, just go to customize channel. As you reach out to customize channel, you can see multiple options in here, but we will go into branding. Click on branding. And when you scroll down, you will see a last option which is called video watermark. When you see video watermark, just click on the upload option because it uses a PNG, GIF. These are the files which it accepts, so make sure your format is in these files. Click on upload, and here select any image that you think would appear on the lower side or right lower side of your video. Click on that, and it will ask you to select any particular region which fits in the corner. Upload it. You can either add it in entire video, custom start, or whatever you want, but I'll prefer putting it in the entire video. I'll click on publish, and that way it will appear on my entire video. To confirm it, what will I do is go to content. I'll scroll down and I'll select any of my particular video to see if it works. I'll open it in the YouTube, and here you can see that this logo is appeared on the right lower corner of the video. So this is what a watermark look like on a YouTube video. You can see on the lower corner. So it appears on the complete screen. So if you think this video is for you and you like this video, please make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tiged Schooling.